Okay, let's roll up and do it.
What's he doing in this scene?
He's gonna be swimming underwater and scaring fish. Let's roll up. So you're swimming, chasing the fish? Scare him.
Help me, little fishies.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, you're swimming, chasing the fish. Now scare him. Got it. Good. What?
I'll just eat it like this.
I'll just eat it like this.
No thanks. I'll just eat it like this.
Do you want to add that?
Idiot?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, let's go. Let's roll.
Fish! I hear they're healthy.
Hey, that fish is rotten. Come on, you want to get a tapeworm?
No thanks. I think I'll just eat it like this. Idiot.
No, you could get a tapeworm from eating that. They cause rapid weight loss and possibly death.
Whoa! Weight loss? Fish! I hear they're healthy.
Hey, that fish is rotten. You could get a tapeworm.
No thanks. I think I'll just eat it like this.
No, you could get a tapeworm from eating that. They cause rapid weight loss and possibly death.
Whoa! Weight loss? Yeah, it's temporary. I can't believe my hair's still growing at 26.
Let's roll cameras.
We will.
Yo, how about you talking about aliens and shit? I got proof.
Action.
Yo! I've been abducted by aliens and shit! And I got proof.
That's not a UFO, it's a frisbee.
No, it ain't. It'd be a flying saucer.
Yeah, it's true. You're not lying.
Yeah.
No, it ain't.
You like that, man?
Yeah.
It'd be a flying saucer. Stop the presses. That could be the cover of the picture.
Yeah, we use that.
Just take the picture there.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yo! I've been abducted by aliens and shit. I got proof.
That's not a UFO, it's a frisbee.
No, it ain't. It'd be a flying saucer.
It is. Stop the presses!
Extra, extra! Alien ain't. It'd be a flying saucer.
It is? Stop the presses!
good. One more time with that.
I've been abducted by aliens and shit. I got proof.
That's not a UFO, it's a frisbee.
No, it ain't. You flying saucer.
It is? Stop the presses!
Good, good. Cut. That's keeper.
Yeah, like, since extra, extra! Space aliens from outer space abduct man without his blessing.
Dude!
God!
What was it like? Did they put stuff on your brain? Nice headband. What did they do?
Thank you.
God, good. Ricky's shivering. Milk by his ass. Tapeworm comes out. He's trucked into the tapeworm. Saul casts back. Gets the tapeworm. Gets hooked and ripped out of Ricky's bloody, or is that shitty arse? Then it's.
I have trouble with that pitch, but we'll try.
Try doing the longest one you can.
Like that?
Hey, do something. Do the longest one you can. Try doing the longest one you can. God, I like that one.
That was good.
I'm gonna break that fucking camera.
I think for the Easter egg on our season 1 DVD,
Yeah,
we should do a compilation of my fuck offs to the camera.
that was perfect.
It'll be like
12 minutes long. Get that fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. Fuck you. Get that fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. Camera in my face. Fuck off. Get that fucking camera out of my face. Why don't you fuck off? Get that fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. Get that fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. The fucking camera out of my face! I said fuck off. Tastes like a day-old beer too. Get the fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. Turn it off! Get the fuck away from me.
You know what would make this stuff taste a lot better?
Probably not necessary at all.
Taking that fucking camera and dumping it in the goddamn beef. Hey, skill like that. Get the fuck out of here. One skatey bat. One skatey. Fuck off. I'm from the east end of Dunville, bitch. What, you got something to say about it? Get the fucking camera out of my face. Fuck off. I ain't doing shit to get that fucking camera out of here. Some fucking Barton Street honeys with their tits out. Fuck off!
Looking very cartoony today.
Back the fuck off.
Where the fuck is my arm? Ah!
Burger with no sauce. The script that we're doing today, can you tell me the title of it?
Reading the ball.
Give me a little short synopsis about what it's all about.
Well, when we were growing up, we were really interested in reading tea leaves because my grandma showed us the way you can read patterns and they mean things. So my brother thought it'd be a good idea that you could read patterns in your shit, stains on the bowl, which could mean things like your future. And Doug reads his and finds out he has 12 hours to live.
His ass has spoken.
You done fucked this up. It doesn't say 12 hours to live. It says 12 hours to live performance.
How'd I miss that?
You got to read between the corns, son.
This next one's a real panty dropper. It's called Panty Dropper. Off come the panties first, followed by the bra, and then we're talking. Yeah, we're talking. Now we're boffing.
Some kid did Doug is my idol paper for his class, and they asked me like a whole bunch of questions, so I answered all my Doug facts about my life. My parents were eaten by a five-legged lion. He presented this. He's like, no one in my class believes that your parents were eaten by a five-legged lion. What the hell? And then he like wrote private message me later and was like, my friend says that no one in SOB uses their real names. What did you, is that real? Who is the true you? He's all like screwed up. I was like, I haven't answered him yet.
How old is he?
I don't know. 24. Delete this afterwards. No one must ever know my terrible secret.
Do you have Tourette's?
Fuck, shit, fuck.
Bitch, are you for real? I'm right here.
I was gonna say, I'm trying to pee, but I need you to hold it for me.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna be me, honey.
I'm gonna jerk off with a stump, and it's not gonna happen for me, and then I'm gonna try it.
Simon, wheel in the stump.
Doug tries to masturbate, but he doesn't have a hand, so he stumps himself,
Jay?
and the nurse gets pissed as a result.
How do you prepare to act in a scene like this?
Think about all the things that are beautiful in the world. and then try to rub them.
Ooh! Disgusting pig!
There you go.
Disgusting pig!
Oh man, I need a hand.
Happens every time.
Yeah.
Got my tonsils out. Woke up with a dick in my mouth. Sucked.
Right, and I don't molest unconscious patients.
Pick a cock. If your cock wins, you get to take the other cock home for half price.
What?
The side profile. Look at that. That's crazy.
Sort of like what was in the movie Alien.
Now make it normal, just so we can see the difference.
I won't get a cramp doing that.
See how that's a normal tongue.
Oh yeah, and then he blows it up.
I go do it.
That is so weird.
Ow! God, it gives me a cramp in my neck.
Come on, this up, biatch!
Because this, as it is now,
Like, hey,
doesn't
I'm
make any
killing it.
sense.
Hey, Rick, any fish in there? What? Ugh! God! You know what? You look like you could use some fresh fish. What do you go say we dip our poles in that line that I just fucked up and I'll get fired? Hey, Rick, any fish in there? What? Oh, God! You know, you look like you could use some... you look like...
Hold on, let's count for a sec.
These degenerates are your meal tickler. You gotta love them up good. You know, you really should listen... See? Now that sounded exactly like it was in my head. See? Now that sound... So get your ass down to the scroll. So get your ass down to the scroll. Bitch, are you for real? Check this. Sons of 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 butcher, 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 butcher. That was right off the top of my head.
I guess it does look like my real hair. Now that you're fucking with it, it looks good.
Okay, are we allowed to do this, man? I don't know.
You can also make it sound like you're making out.
No, I want to be fucking for coke.
I know, but I'm saying for safety's sake.
Yes.
All right, let's
I'm gonna fuck it for coke. Au naturel. I like that. I've always liked that. Oh. 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 Ah, ah, oh. 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 Thought I felt keys in there. Oh. Ah, ah, oh. 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 I'm sorry.
Doesn't matter. It's just good. We got the reactions. Is that everything?
That's it.
That's a wrap.
Ah!